Hello everyone. How to make India the happiest country in the world, a roadmap to a brighter future. Well, welcome back to our channel. Today we are exploring an exciting and ambitious topic to make India the happiest country in the world. Join us as we discuss key areas to focus on and share the actionable steps we can all take to contribute towards a brighter future for our nation. So let's get started. Well, before diving into the details, let's take a moment to understand what happiness means. Well, happiness is a subjective experience influenced by various factors such as health, relationship, work satisfaction, personal growth, your spiritual journey. The kind of satisfaction and content life you feel is happiness. For a country to be considered happy, it is essential to focus on the overall well-being and quality of life of its citizens. So what are the key areas of focus? Well, in a country like India, to make it the happiest country in the world, we need to concentrate on several crucial areas. First is education. We need to improve not only the quality and accessibility of the education, but also how it is being delivered to the students. We need to make our education more relatable and practical rather than focusing on theory and learning through books. We need to inculcate certain habits, traditions, and the way to teach students in a natural manner. The second aspect is healthcare. Ensuring affordable, high-quality healthcare services which are available to everyone. The third aspect is economic growth, fostering sustainable development, job creation, and financial security for all. Mental health, raising awareness about mental health and promoting accessible mental health care services. Infrastructure, developing infrastructure including transportation, sanitation, housing to improve the quality of life for each and every one. Environmental sustainability plays a very important role where we protect the environment, embracing renewable energy sources and promoting sustainable living practices. The most important aspect of being a happy country is social harmony, wherein people belonging to different caste, creed, color, religion live together. They are not only tolerant with each other but also respect other communities and religions. So what are certain actionable steps that each one of us can take to contribute towards making India a happy country? Well, the first thing we need to do or we can do is to support local initiative. Participate in the local initiative that address the key focus areas or key social issues. Volunteer yourself in a form of NGO, school, hospital, or any other organization that works towards better India. Be environmentally conscious. Adopt eco-friendly habits such as reducing waste, conserving water, and using public transportation or carpooling. Promote mental health awareness. Speaking openly about mental health, sharing resources, and supporting others can be a great way to help each other and make it a better place to live. Practice tolerance and compassion, respect cultural differences, and be empathetic towards other experiences, communities, religion, caste, creed, and color. Let us live together to make this world a better place to live. Another important aspect is the initiatives from the government side. What are the policies? To make India the happiest country, it is crucial for the government to develop and implement policies and initiatives that address the key focus areas. That is, implementing and expanding the national education policy to improve the quality and accessibility of education, investing in public health infrastructure, and promoting affordable healthcare services, creating policies that incentivize business to adopt sustainable practices and generate job opportunities, collaborating with social sector agencies, NGOs, and private sector to raise mental health awareness issues and improve mental health care. So together we can make India the happiest country in the world by focusing more on the well-being of our citizens, fostering sustainable growth, and promoting social harmony. It's time for all of us to take action and contribute towards a brighter future of our nation. So if you're inspired to be a part of this movement, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful decisions and discussions.